So now we want to drill the waterfall arms. I'm just showing you the movement so you won't get confused when it goes up. The palms are facing towards each other and I'm just switching them and working through my fingertips. Good. I'm going to bring them above my head and make one change, one transition up, one transition above my head, and one transition around my face, going down, going up from the wrists to the queen. Once again, switch, switch, switch. I'm switching all the time. Every time I'm switching. If the left hand is forward, now the right hand is forward, now the left and up. Good. Once again. 1, 2, 3, and up. Once again. 1, 2, 3, and up. You already know the arm waves. We talked about it, the big arm wave in the notebook drill. So I'm using it here. I'm switching, switching above the face, around the face, from the shoulders up. Good. Let's drill it a little bit faster. And up. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good.